Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how I transplant my peppers into larger containers so that they have some more time to grow in something larger than just these here. Unlike my tomato video, I'm actually going to be cutting out one of the peppers if the cell has two peppers in it like these do right here. Peppers don't really like to be disturbed too much, so, and I don't really need this many. I mean, I give a lot of them away, but a lot of people don't eat as many peppers as they do tomatoes. So what I'm going to do is you want to try to figure out which one looks the best. Now they look pretty equal, but I would say the stem on this inside one is a little bit stronger, so I'm just gonna cut that one out. And this one you can see, obviously it's a lot smaller. Just cut it right down to the bottom there. And even though this one's taller, I think this one looks stronger. And this one, I'm gonna say this one looks better, so I'm gonna cut this one out. And then I like to take off these bottom leaves right here, which are the leaves that come out of the soil first, which are attached to the seed. So just cut them nice and close. With peppers, you're gonna wanna do some top pruning, but you wanna wait until they have a couple more sets of leaves. It's actually called topping them off. I'll do a video on that when these are ready. So basically the same thing, just like the other videos. You push from the bottom because you never want to just yank it out. And then here you have the pepper. You don't really want to bury them too deep like you would a tomato plant because this is technically a bush. So kind of where you see it meeting the soil right here is where you want to put the soil up to. I already pre-packed these. I make sure I drilled 4 holes in the bottom and I cut the tops off to make them a little smaller. And I made sure I packed it down halfway. That way when I bottom water, the water can contact the soil and it can water from the bottom. You're just going to place it right in, take some more soil, and gently pack it down. Add a little bit more if you need to. If you feel like it's kind of wobbly or not sturdy, I get these from Walmart or Michael's. They're just little wooden sticks, and I push it in. Be gentle though, because you don't want to damage the roots. I put it right up against the side. That way it kind of gives it a little bit of support, and if I need to, I can put like a little tie around it so it helps it grow up. And then the last thing is make sure you put your label in, because you will never remember which one is. Another way you can do it is with these cups. Obviously you can throw them away after, but you can write right on the cup what it is. And then they're all ready. Then as soon as they're done, I'm going to make sure that I put them all in here. I'm going to fill it 1/4 of the way up and water it really good, and then put them back under my grow lights. And then in a couple of weeks, I'm going to start putting them outside for a little bit to start to harden them off. And then they're ready to give away. All right, and that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much.